The Faroe Islands is a tiny country with twice as many tourists as residents. So how can the islands remain unspoiled by tourism? We found a solution. We asked the Prime Minister to help.
On behalf of the Faroese government, I hereby declare the Faroe Islands closed for maintenance and open for volunteerism during the last weekend of April. During the weekend, all sites and attractions will be closed for regular tourists. However, we invite volunteers from abroad to lend us a helping hand by...
But will people travel far to help a foreign country for free? Within just 4 days, 3,500 people from all over the world had signed up. On the last weekend of April, 100 volunteers from 25 countries arrived to help maintain the islands. Together with locals, the volunteerists help maintain walking trails, viewpoints and fences to preserve the country's nature. And then the story went viral again.
Nu skal vi til et sted, som siger nej, bliv væk.
500 articles.
100 frivillige fra hele
A massive online readership. 30 million social media actions. And a zero media budget.
Fantastic for the Faroes. Fantastic for the environment, for nature.
Doing a bit of hard work, I think, it's worth it, definitely.
The initiative had such a positive impact on our environment that in 2020 we will repeat the success.